What's up, guys? It's the Eagle. So I'm here. We're going to be doing a new segment on this channel. With this, we are going to be going to restaurants and places to eat around Central Florida that I enjoy that aren't your typical chain places. So we're not going to see any McDonald's or Taco Bell or any of that nonsense in these videos. This is going to be an ongoing series. I want to show people, other places to eat that are around Central Florida that are not, that are a little less expensive than eating in the parks. Or if you're just visiting, some of these might require a bit of a little drive, but they're all within maybe 30 minutes to maybe an hour from the parks. So not that bit of a drive, get out, explore the city. So yeah, hope everybody enjoys these videos, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? So today our first restaurant that we're gonna do in my new food series is gonna be TJ's Seafood Shack, local seafood place here in Orlando. This actually is located on the east side of Orlando, over by the University of Central Florida. Been coming here since the second day they've been open. Really, really good food. Prices aren't bad. Nice, fresh, local seafood. I always like to get the blackened gator, whether it's tacos, as an appetizer, as a meal, is one of my favorites. And then I rotate around some of their other seafood that they have. And then they also, this particular location has an oyster bar where you can get, fresh oysters. So, all right, let's go inside and have something to eat. Alright, guys, so we got the blackened gator appetizer. It's one of my favorites. And then we got the TJ's Red, which is their own beer. Pretty good. And we also got the tacos here from the fish tacos from the lunch special. All fairly good food, fairly good food. Alright, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed my overview of TJ's Seafood here. So I'm gonna have all the information linked below, so I hope you come on in, check them out, tell them I sent you there. Also too, please leave some comments, click the bell for alerts. We're gonna do a lot more of these food videos. Also, I want you to make sure, if you haven't already, I do still have my giveaway going on for my 100th subscriber, Epcot merchandise, so click that link below, make sure you're entered, refer people over to the channel. Also down there below, you're gonna see I have links, affiliate links to gear that I use in my video. If you click those, it doesn't cost you anything extra, it helps me out a little bit. Even if you go there, you buy something totally different and you're not buying any of the gear that I list below, still helps me out. So yes, I appreciate everybody following along. Leave some comments, click the alerts, make sure you're following all my social media channels, share my videos with other people. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Everybody have a great day, have fun at work.